In United States environmental policy, maintenance fees are the annual fees paid by pesticide manufacturers and formulators to continue registration of pesticide active ingredients and products with the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The fee supplement funds appropriated from general U.S. revenues, which cover most administrative costs of the EPA pesticide program under the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, and Rodenticide Act, FIFRA 7 U.S.C. 136A1. Fees are deposited into a separate reregistration, an expedited processing fund to offset costs associated with EPA reregistration activities, and expedited processing of pesticide registrations that are substantially similar to registrations already in effect or which are for public health pesticides, as defined in FIFRA Section 2, NN. Congress mandated collection of an annual maintenance fee from each pesticide registrant in 1988 amendments to PL 100-532. EPA has authority to cancel a registration if a registrant fails to pay the maintenance fee. References. This article incorporates public domain material from the Congressional Research Service Document Report for Congress, Agriculture, a Glossary of Terms, Programs, and Laws, 2005 edition by Jasper Wamich.